So this is it again. Haven't used this brand before, so we'll see how this goes. But since everybody likes a little unboxing, well, maybe. Come on, bastard, open. Okay, got that out of the way. Probably not the best place to do an unboxing, but we're gonna make this work. Instruction manual. Who uses that? We got some wrenches, a couple nuts or washers, a little special battery changing tool it looks like, and then there's a couple different options. We got the regular clamp, and then we have the 3M adhesive regular way that we can lock everything in place. So pretty good option so far. We've got a cable, I'm assuming for charging. Then pretty straightforward here too as well. We've got your actual TPMS guys, and these just go right on your actual little stems, your valve stems. Easy enough. Then we'll go ahead and pop this guy out so you guys can see what he looks like. Oh my God, why is this not special people proof? But this is him. As you can see, he's got his little case, so he's nice and weatherproofed. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it on the bike the whole time, but if I can find a cool little spot to mount him, I probably will. But that's all it is. We can go ahead and turn it on. You hold this for a couple seconds, I believe. Oh, there we go. So this is what he looks like. This isn't good right now. We've got flats. While that's charging, I'm gonna go ahead and just open this up and figure out if there's anywhere that I want to use this clamp. And if I don't like the clamp, we'll just 3M this somewhere else. Okay, but this is the little 3M guy. So honestly, this is a pretty nice plan B in case there isn't a spot to clamp this sucker down. There's no real spot that this sits on. As you guys can see, there's a little bit of a curvature to it. So it's supposed to sit on handlebars, but these handlebars, I'm not gonna put it there, obviously, or here, or here. So I tried to find a spot where I could kind of clamp it down, which this wouldn't be too bad of a spot right here in the center. And I could clamp it in just like that, is it doesn't have to be perfectly flush. So I may actually just end up clamping it. That way I don't have to get 3M all over the bike. So I'm gonna give that a shot here and see how that works out for me. Luckily, this comes with the tools that you'll need, but I should probably just get a nut driver at some point. But I'll go ahead and get this loosey-goosey, and we're gonna try this out and see how this clamps up. Whoa. All right, so I got that put in there. And let's just see if we can't finesse this through. I know you guys can't really see what I'm doing, but I promise you there's good stuff happening here. All right, so I got this through. I go ahead and I gotta start tightening this up. See if I can get this to clamp on pretty nice. Really, the most important thing is just making sure you're not obstructing anything that's gonna be an issue for your safety. To be honest, I don't think I'll keep this on the bike all the time. Probably just keep it in the garage so I can see it before I ride. But who knows? That's pretty snug on there. He's not wiggling around, going anywhere. So I kind of like that spot right there, right in front of this gauge. Just kind of makes sense. For this next part, what we're gonna need is, we can go ahead and break this little wrench dude out, because we're gonna need this bad boy. So we need this wrench, and then we're gonna need one of these locking nuts. So we'll grab one of those, and most importantly, this guy. So pretty straightforward. You're just gonna go ahead and remove this guy here. Hopefully my wheels are even at the right tire pressure. Then you're gonna go ahead and take your locking nut and go ahead and get that on there. And then you're gonna grab this guy, your actual sensor. You gotta be a little quick, but you get that guy nice and snug on there. And then you turn this guy to the top. And you kind of meet him in the middle. And you just tighten this guy right on him. So you make sure that he doesn't go anywhere. Just like that. That's all there is to it. So he's all set up and ready to go. And we'll do the same thing on the front. Wash, rinse, repeat. All right, so now we got this charged up. Let me go ahead and lock this into place and kind of see what it looks like on here. Maybe. But that's it. Look at that. Snug as a bug in a rug, and we can just keep it there. Like I said, most times I'm probably just gonna keep it around the bike. I may not necessarily keep it there, just a personal preference. I already have one display to look at. I may not need multiple. And that's all there is to this, guys. So you've got your TPMS sensor and it's ready to go, and then you can go through your settings and get everything adjusted. See you guys later.